How retailers are taking advantage of e-commerce to boost business. Hello guys, and welcome back once again to our channel eCommerce Know-How. The joy of every business is growth and increase of revenue. This is the best payoff to an investor to watch products grow and services selling and increasing the customer base every day. This is very possible with the invention of the internet, which has brought in a new world of e-commerce. E-commerce has thus made business operations much easier than they were in the past. Consequently, retailers today are enjoying the benefits of e-commerce in the growth of their business empire. But one of the basic questions that we need to answer is how have retailers benefited from e-commerce? Stay tuned to get the answer. If you wish to view more of such e-commerce content, then ensure to subscribe and get the next video by putting your notification bell on. Here are the top advantages for e-commerce businesses today. 1. E-commerce has expanded customers' reach. E-commerce mainly functions on the online platform. Through these platforms, businesses can easily reach a wide mass of consumers that are within the locality and beyond. For instance, through e-commerce, a retailer can advertise products that will reach customers who are overseas. With an effective strategy of attracting these customers on board, a retailer can then make a lot of sales in a short while. In terms of expanding a business reach, it is also a major benefit to note that e-commerce has caused business interlinking much easier. Therefore, business owners can reach other counterparts from other places through online meetings and communication. Number 2. Reduce the cost of operations. Unlike opening a physical business that will have a shop to place goods and products, the online space is far more affordable. First, a retailer can quickly make a website to present the products and services to customers without any fees to be collected. This makes the operations of a business very affordable. Also, the online platform presents the opportunity for beginners to try out their skills and merchandise on the web. This way, the losses encountered on an online sale are within reach, rather than starting a business on the physical and later flopping with the need to change the business or location. Also, e-commerce provides the opportunity to make changes or even alternate business ideas if one does not work as expected. This way, the investment is not as much as it would be in an opening shop on the ground that might fall altogether and the stock bought goes to waste. Number 3. It makes the process of buying and selling fast and easy. E-commerce makes buying and selling easy and less time-consuming. In the physical shop, both the buyer and seller might have to take a lot of time addressing each other on different issues concerning the items on sale. This can also be done one customer at a time. But online businesses make this process easy and can accommodate multiple sales and negotiations to go on at the same time. Hence, a seller has the advantage of capturing several clients and attending to each at a time while addressing them on different communication links. Number 4. Price comparison. This is a feature that benefits both the buyer and the seller. In the physical world, making comparisons can sometimes be exhausting. However, e-commerce brings multiple products and business outlets on one platform, which comparisons can be made on the various elements. A buyer has the advantage of doing all products research before gathering all the information to make a final price tag on the products and capture a fair and strategic price to compete with others on the market. On the other hand, consumers can also make the comparisons and choices on which products to buy or even make an investment in the long term or short term. Number 5. No limitations for the seller. E-commerce has brought in the great advantage of all times sellers across the globe. That is, there is no limitation to what one can sell online. All limitations depend on the person to go ahead and pursue the consumers. For instance, a trader can sell maximum products both in locality and even abroad by completing the negotiations online, making payments and transfers. After the goods are shipped to the provided addresses and destinations, e-commerce ensures that once the transaction is underway, another can still start on the same platform without one affecting the other. Number 6. Did you know that e-commerce is the best form in terms of payment options? Payment can be an issue that causes traders to have trouble with the clients and business. Clients can be interested but fail to make payments due to the variations of payment modes. However, in the physical world, payment can have limitations because most people may prefer to use hard currency notes and coins. These can also cause trouble in finding change and other issues too, such as using fake money. However, the online platform protects the trader by providing alternate payment modes to the customer and both enables the trader and seller to interact more freely. The alternative ways of the payment also increase the aspect of flexibility in the matters of time of business operations. A seller can still make a transaction with the customer even in off-business hours and process shipment to the client's address. It will be remembered that e-commerce has opened many doors of business across the globe. Today, more entrepreneurs continue to pursue this platform for its benefits. For more business and e-commerce content, remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until the next video, thank you for watching.